Hi guys, this is a quick video on the Zard exhaust. This is the Zard Bad Child exhaust. It's a black ceramic coated stainless steel slip-on exhaust. The weight of the original exhaust was 4.4 kilograms and the Zard exhaust is only 2 kilograms, so more than half lighter. Tom C asked, did you have to do any modifications to the Zard exhaust to fit onto the Racer and the same location as the exhaust hanger? He said he had contacted Zard and they said it would not fit on the Racer. Yes, the Zard exhaust does fit straight on the standard hanger in the exact same place. The Zard fits onto the standard RnineT headers using the OEM exhaust clamp and bracket. Whilst we were installing the Zard slip-on, we decided to remove the exhaust flap valve at the same time. Removing this valve makes the bike louder at lower revs and it also looks a lot better. It also saves a bit of weight. This is a photo of the old and new flap valve. We bought the flap delete pipe from eBay. You can either remove the flap valve only and tie wrap the servo cables up inside the bike out of view, or you can do what we did, remove the flap valve, cables and servo motor completely. But removing the servo motor will create an error on the ECU, causing the FI light to come on. Luckily, there is a product called a servo buddy, which when plugged in tricks the ECU into thinking the servo motor is still present, stopping the error and the FI light illumination. The end result is better looking, slightly louder, slightly lighter, and that's all pros in my eyes. Another question was from JL, asking where/who did the custom seat and where from. The seat was from Vonzeti.com. They specialise in custom handmade cafe racer products. They also do exhausts and other parts for cafe racers. Just having fun in the garden tonight. Lee, are you practicing your balancing? Go on then. Oh, try again. This is for your trials bike practicing. Get the balance. Oh. Get the balance. One hand. Oh, nearly. It's been so hot today. It's been like 25 degrees or something. Crazy like that. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the video and I'll see you on my next one. If anyone has any other questions of the mods we've done on the RnineT, then just ask in the comments.